Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see 3 ways to create desktop shortcuts on Windows 11. These are links from your desktop to different places on your computer. Maybe you have a file or website that you access daily. This is a great way to save some time. Stay with us and we'll also show you how you can create a shortcut to this PC or my computer. First, we will see how we can create a shortcut from all apps. Left click on the Start button or just press the Windows key on your keyboard. And then left click on all apps on the top right. Here you have the list of all the apps that you have installed on your PC. If you want to create a shortcut, for example for Firefox, left click on the icon and hold, and then just drag on your desktop. You will see the name link appear next to a little icon, and where you release, a shortcut will be created on that specific spot. So now you can double left click to open Firefox on your computer. Another way to create shortcuts is from files. So we will left click on the File Explorer, and then we will go to Pictures over here on the left. And you can create a shortcut to this folder that says Screenshots, where we have some pictures that we use as wallpapers on our desktop. So you can right click and then click on Show More Options. And here you have the option to send to. If you hover over it, you will see additional options, and then you can left click on Desktop. This is the old right click menu from the older versions of Windows. So just left click on Desktop, create shortcut, and now you can access the folder by double left clicking straight from your desktop. You can also create shortcuts for a specific file of any extension or format in the same manner. And then you can double left click and open it straight from your desktop. We have a nice little flower here. Lastly guys, you can create a shortcut to a specific website. So let's open Firefox and navigate to Google and search for flower, for example. To create a shortcut to this specific address or website, just left click on the little lock that appears here and then drag on your desktop. And you will create a shortcut to your web browser for that specific page. And if you double left click, it will open it straight away. As we can see, we have the search over here. Lastly guys, as we mentioned, this PC is pretty hard to put on your desktop on Windows 11, the old My Computer. So to do that, you need to left click on the File Explorer, and you will find it over here in the left. It says this PC. If you left click, you will see this is the old My Computer, as it was on older versions of Windows. To send it to your desktop, just left click and hold, and then drag it to your desktop. And now you can double left click and open it straight away. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.